Bow windows are a beautiful and functional addition to any home, and many homeowners in Slidell are considering them for their ability to enhance both interior and exterior spaces. With their elegant curved design and multiple glass panels, bow windows offer increased natural light, expanded views, and added character. However, before making the investment, it's important to understand key factors that can impact performance, durability, and overall satisfaction. One of the first things homeowners should consider is how bow windows differ from other window styles. Unlike bay windows, which typically have 3 panels, bow windows consist of 4 or more panels that create a gentle curve. This design allows for a wider viewing angle and a softer, more rounded appearance. In Slidell homes, this can add a touch of sophistication while also increasing the amount of natural light entering the space. Another important factor is climate compatibility. Slidell's weather includes high humidity, frequent rain, and occasional storms, all of which can affect window performance. Choosing materials that resist moisture is essential. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are popular options because they do not warp, rot, or absorb moisture like traditional wood. These materials are designed to withstand coastal conditions while maintaining their appearance and structural integrity over time. Energy efficiency is another key consideration. Bow windows feature large glass areas, which can impact how heat enters or escapes the home. Modern bow windows are designed with multi-pane glass and insulating features that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Slidell's warm climate, selecting windows with energy-efficient glass can help reduce heat gain and keep cooling costs under control. This ensures that homeowners can enjoy the beauty of large windows without sacrificing comfort. Proper installation is critical when it comes to bow windows. Because they extend outward from the home, they require additional structural support compared to standard windows. A professional installer will ensure that the window is properly secured, sealed, and aligned. This prevents issues such as sagging, air leaks, or water intrusion, all of which can be more likely in humid environments if installation is not handled correctly. Homeowners should also think about placement and space planning. Bow windows create extra interior space, which can be used in a variety of ways. Many people turn this area into a seating nook, reading corner, or decorative display space. Choosing the right location, such as a living room or front-facing area, can maximize both functionality and visual impact. At the same time, it's important to ensure that the exterior projection fits well with the home's design and available space. Maintenance is another factor to consider before installation. While modern materials are designed for durability, bow windows still require regular care to maintain their appearance and performance. Cleaning the multiple glass panels, checking seals, and inspecting frames periodically will help keep the windows in good condition. Fortunately, materials like vinyl and fiberglass make maintenance relatively simple compared to older window types. Ventilation is something homeowners should plan for as well. Since bow windows are typically fixed or only include limited operable panels, they may not provide as much airflow as other window styles. To balance this, homeowners can pair bow windows with nearby operable windows to maintain proper ventilation throughout the home. Cost is another consideration. Bow windows are generally more expensive than standard windows due to their size, design, and installation requirements. However, they also add value by improving curb appeal, increasing natural light, and enhancing interior space. For many Slidell homeowners, the long-term benefits make the investment worthwhile. Aesthetic impact is one of the biggest advantages of bow windows. Their curved design adds depth and dimension to the home's exterior, making it more visually appealing. Inside, they create a bright and open atmosphere that enhances the overall living experience. Choosing a design that complements the home's architecture ensures a cohesive and attractive result. In conclusion, installing bow windows in Slidell homes can be a rewarding upgrade when planned carefully. By considering factors such as material selection, energy efficiency, proper installation, and placement, homeowners can ensure long-lasting performance and satisfaction. With the right approach, Bow Windows can transform both the look and feel of a home, providing beauty, comfort, and value for years to come.